Well, this is the pigeon coop. I finished it for my last posting. I guess today's the 6th, May 6th. This is the front of the coop. It's a little door right here. I told you guys the other day, it's like a divider. Stop the kids and the dogs. I use that. Once again, this is a little hell to the day coop. It's about 7 feet high. Came out pretty cool. And this is the view from the inside. Again, this is the inside. The only 2 white racing homers I have. They've been laying eggs, but I guess they've been really stressed out where I had them out before, but now they're doing great. You see the droppings, they're nice. Got the down feather on the droppings and everything, so they're doing really good. They're healthy. They're doing good. That's a trap up there. I haven't finished the trap yet, but they won't be trapping anytime soon, so I'm not worried about it. This is it. I'll post again when I paint it this week. My son's gonna paint it tomorrow, so see how it looks then. But this is the pigeon coop right here, bro. Hope you guys like it. If you guys have any comments, hit me up. Peace.